Once again, guys, chartforecaster.com has predicted the future. Now, if you're out there watching all these other little YouTube channels talking finance and try these cute little EMAs on the chart, guess what? It's time to stop watching them because you're wasting your time. And when I'm telling you guys that we just predicted this reversal 7 days out, 7 days ago, I told the audience, you guys need to be paying attention. Get your head out of your you know what and listen, because the charts are going to turn at this point in time. I also told you guys, guess what? We're going to watch for a momentum peak area around the 14th, baby. Now, I've got the receipts here to prove it. January 13th, 7 days ago. I suppose you guys need to see this. 7 days ago, right here. That is when I first announced this on SMCI. I then doubled down on it. January 15th, baby. And you can see we got the peak momentum area and then we went into breakout mode. How about that? Breakout mode. Isn't that lovely? Now, I was also warning the audience. Guess what? This is when we're going to see this really nasty reversal hit. This is going to be the market high or low and a reversal. And guess what happened? Boom. We caught it perfectly. This is the power of chartforecaster.com, guys. Now, we're going to break down the SMCI charts even more. And don't dare click away on this video, because if you're looking for charts on any stock, especially SMCI, there's nobody out there in the entire world that could predict it better than I, in my own opinion. And I feel like I've just demonstrated that quite nicely here. I'm not trying to be cocky. I'm trying to help people trade and really understanding the importance of timing when it comes to making trades. Sometimes the best trades, guys, that you'll ever make in your life are the ones that you wait for. They're the trades that you just don't take, right? It's all about timing. And when I see SMCI form this big, glorious falling wedge. This is one of the most beautiful falling wedges I think I've ever seen in my life. I've got options on this, guys. Call options. With that said, the beauty of this is that price reversed exactly and came down, tested this upper trend line, and now it's past the test. So now I'm hoping that we see SMCI go off to the races. And it could be that we could also be seeing some sort of Wyckoff pattern here as well, with this being the spring. So we might cover that in the next video and see if we can apply Wyckoff theory to this. However, right now I'm looking for a few key points in time really that I'm interested in. Now, number one, I'm a big patterns trader. I'm a big Elliott wave theory guy. I love Elliott wave theory. And guess what? We could be in the midst of maybe seeing Elliott wave theory to the upside here. Nobody knows just yet where this is going to go, but I can tell you Chart Forecaster is warning us of 3 important dates in time on SMCI that you need to watch out for. The first, guys, being a momentum building area. This is going to be a zone where momentum starts. It starts to build. Whether it's good momentum or bad momentum, we don't know. But I'm hoping what we see here is maybe some sort of symmetrical triangle squeeze or some sort of ascending triangle. What I mean by that is maybe we can see one of these types of things happen going into this momentum building area. We got the reversal. We need the bull flag. We need the bull pennant, whether that looks like this pennant or maybe like a traditional flag. We need that, right? And this is going to be the momentum building point in time. So if I start to see a nice symmetrical triangle squeeze off a falling wedge, off a bear pennant or a bull pennant, excuse me, and we got a momentum building point in time, I'm buying more call options. That's it. I'm buying more. And on January 26th, Chart Forecaster has a double point in time confirmation on volatility spikes, breakouts, pauses. So we need to really be on the lookout for what's going on the 26th. And this, if it does rip, we might be looking at peak momentum on January 29th. So maybe we'll get a nice solid week run out of SMCI. But right now, I'm telling you guys this, I'm going to be watching, and I'm going to be watching the next few days. I'm hoping and praying that we see this symmetrical triangle squeeze happen, or some other flag pattern, or an ascending triangle, or something of that nature. I mean, it could just be, guys, that guess what? Maybe we're gearing up to see something like this occur. And maybe we'll see price action just kind of ping pong ball like this. We won't know until we have a few days under our belt and we get closer to this next point in time. This is what I'm talking about. The best trades are the ones that you wait for. I'm not your grandpa telling you to go hold silver and gold, right? There's risk with this. This is high stakes. We're using some of the best software on the market, in my opinion. So chartforecaster.com is $9.99 a month. Would you pay $9.99 a month to know about alpha like this? Really, I mean, look at this. Look at how good of a job this does. Pinpointed a reversal point. Pinpointed the start of bullish or bearish momentum. Breakouts, volatility. I mean, it just speaks for itself here. So with that said, guys, we'll see you on the next video. I'm going to be probably cranking out another SMCI video here in the next, I don't know, well, Thursday or Friday. Well, we'll do Thursday. That way we'll be right on the nuts for this momentum building area, and maybe we can reevaluate positions and things like that. See you on the next video.